Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I fry my snapper fish. Alright, I bought a big snapper and I cut them up in pieces and I fry some of them. So I'll show you guys step by step how I season my fish and how I fry my fish and the end result. My fried fish I'm gonna eat my fried fish with my Metemgee. So when you finish watching my fried fish video, you can go ahead and watch my Metemgee video. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and you can click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. And also you can leave a comment down below requesting what other dish you want me to make. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and here's my ingredients. Hey guys, this is my snapper. I'm gonna fry it. So here's my ingredients. First we have some black pepper, ginger powder, mustard, hot sauce, some dry parsley, some dry thyme. We have some mango achur, some garlic, smoked paprika, all-purpose seasoning, fish season, and some green seasoning. So let's season our fish now. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is put in our green seasoning, and we're gonna put in our grated garlic. We're gonna put in our mango achur. This is our dry parsley and dry thyme. This is our all-purpose seasoning, and this is the fish seasoning. I'm gonna put in my smoked paprika. This is my ginger powder. And some black pepper. Also, I'm gonna put in my mustard hot sauce, and we're gonna mix everything together now. Okay guys, so I mix up all the seasoning into the fish. So I'm gonna leave this to marinate for about a couple hours. This fish is gonna go on top of my Metemgee. I'm also cooking Metemgee today. So I'll leave this to marinate for a few hours, and then we're gonna fry it. If you want, you can also leave this overnight to marinate and then fry the next day. But I'm just gonna leave it for about 3 to 4 hours, and then I'll fry the fish. So see you in 3 to 4 hours. I'm going to go and make my Metemgee now. Alright? See you then. Okay guys, so my fish has been marinated in the fridge for about 3 hours. So it's time to go and fry it now. Like I said before, I'm going to be eating my fried fish with some nice Guyanese Metemgee. This is the Metemgee here in the pot, so you guys should look out for my Metemgee video. My Metemgee is boiling right now. Alright, so we're gonna do now. So that's my flour there to fry my fish. So I'm gonna put my fish into my flour and flour it up like this. I already put on my oil, so as soon as the oil finish getting hot, I'll put my fish inside to fry. This food is gonna be so delicious. Can't wait to eat my Metemgee and fried fish. Like I said before, the Metemgee is gonna be on a different video. So since you finish watching my fried fish video, go and watch my Metemgee video. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. Alright guys? Okay, so I'm gonna put my fish to fry now. Here goes. I'm gonna put 2 at a time to fry. Okay guys, so my fish has been frying here for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take it out now. I'm taking out my fish now. This is one of the fish here. This is the other fish here. And then I'm going to put in, this here is a fish head. So I'm going to put in my fish head now. I'm going to put in the fish head and I'm going to put in a tail. Because both fish head can hold in the pot. I'm putting the tail now. Let that fry for another 10 minutes. In the meantime, these are the 2. This is snapper fish I'm using. Guyanese snapper, fry fish. Alright? Looks so delicious. Can't wait to bite into it. So we'll be back. Okay, the other 2 fish is finished. So let me just show you guys. This is the fish head here. And this is the tail. I'm going to fry 2 more pieces. I'm going to fry 2 more pieces of fish. We have other half of the fish head here. And this part here. So we're going to fry 6 pieces in all. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end result of my Guyanese fry snapper fish. I didn't fry all the fish, I just fry about 6 pieces only, so I still have a few left back for another day. So this is the end results for my Guyanese snapper fish. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. And please follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and also on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so this fry fish here is going to go with some nice Guyanese Metemgee. So when you finish watching my fry fish video, go and watch my Guyanese Metemgee video. Alright guys, so thank you for watching and stay blessed. Bye.